Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prepping the console and peripherals. Update system firmware now so features behave predictably. Plug a USB keyboard and mouse, or pair Bluetooth devices, then enable them under controllers and accessories in settings because navigation matters. Next, connect an external SSD or map a network share for big files and apps. This prevents storage bottlenecks. Once done, set display to 4K 60Hz or your monitor's preferred refresh rate, so desktop streaming and remote apps render smoothly. Now you configure connectivity so the Xbox behaves like a PC endpoint. Sign into the Xbox app on your PC with the same Microsoft account. This links devices and simplifies file transfers. On the console, enable remote features under Devices and Connections and allow streaming, because Remote Play gives you desktop-like control. Prefer wired Ethernet for both machines to cut latency. If using Wi-Fi, place both devices on the same 5 GHz network and enable Co-S or gigabit routing to keep finish by choosing how you want to use the Xbox as a PC. Stream apps through the Xbox app or open Edge on the console to run web tools and cloud apps. Map network drives or use OneDrive to access documents and media seamlessly so you can edit and save from either device. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Reboot the router and both devices, switch to a wired connection, and temporarily lower remote stream quality to 720p at 30 frames per second to isolate bandwidth issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.